A new challenge, Excel BI challenge 123. Again, something with US presidents. Now download the file. So as you can see, it's the third task with US presidents. So we need to list the top 3 most frequently occurring words, and valid words are not single character words, so K point isn't a valid word. So let's join firstly all those words together, all those presidents together, with an free space in between, and then split them. Let's do it in a row. So here we have all the presidents, all the names. Let's call it name. Do it in a let function so we can filter more easily. And so let's name this F, and we filter all the words out that are less than 2 characters. So here the K is, for example, out filtered now. And now let's make a list of all the unique names. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller now. And now we sum this up. Map U, not labs, lambda A, filter all the words, so like F, if F equals to the unique, so the A, because we have the lambda here, and we want to have the something that counts, so like rows, or count A would also be okay. So here we have the counts of all the words here, how often a word appears. For example, Biden appears only once, George appears 3 times. So like, I don't know where, but should be right. George, it's like George Bush, George W. Bush, and George Washington. Okay, yeah. So C for count. And now we filter the president name, so like U, unique, if count is larger or equal to K, to large, so like the 3rd largest number in C. And we have the list here. Should we sort it then? But it's sorted. Yeah, it's sorted alphabetically, I suggest. So no, it's not alphabetically. Then we need a sort here as sort by. So like sort the presidents after the count, and in an descending order. And then we need to take S instead of U, and also sort C, so sort C, autocorrection, so S, then SC, and here we can let C in. There's something odd here. Here. Donald. Oh, that's wrong. We don't want to have Donald here. So we sort unique after this one. So S. Here, S should be right. Okay, Control Z. sort C. I see. So we need also the descending order. Yeah, now it's right. Okay, it's the same. We concat them together, we split them, we filter all the non-valid words out, so like the words with only 2 characters. We make the unique, we make a list of all the unique words. We count how often the words appear with this function. Then we sort them accordingly, so like sort the counts and sort the unique names after the number of counts in descending order, and then we filter all of this out. So like which word appears as frequent or more frequently than the top 3 most frequently words. So formula is a little bit long because of the sorting thing. Let's see what the others did. Okay, Chris is quite long. Oh, Rick with a super duper short formula. Yeah, so that's okay, and see you next time.